Selling an apartment off-plan is a massive win for any developer. You sign the contract, secure the down payment, and look forward to the actual construction. But closing that sale triggers a multi-year invisible wait. Tracking installments means wrestling with hundreds of payments, scattered Excel files, and your accountant's memory. When you manage hundreds of units manually, the process breaks down. Invoices get missed, reminders go out late, books become a tangled mess. The buyer gets frustrated by the disorganization, your collection rate drops, and revenue slips right through the cracks. That administrative friction is exactly why Aura exists. It is a specialized real estate management system built to eliminate post-sale bureaucracy. The operating principle is straightforward. You set up the project and register the sale once. From that moment on, the software takes over and manages the multi-year life cycle of that contract. This shift allows developers to move their primary attention away from the back-office paperwork and back to the build site. The process starts by digitizing your physical assets. You map your entire project in the system, assigning visual blueprints, cadastral codes, and live availability statuses to every single apartment, commercial space, and parking spot. When a buyer is ready, the system's smart schedule engine takes over. You enter the down payment and the terms, and with a single click, it generates the complete multi-year payment plan. This diagram shows how Aura handles the reality of the local market. If a unit is priced in US dollars, the system calculates and bills the installments in Georgian lari, adjusting in real time based on the live exchange rate of the national bank. Digitizing the asset and automating the payment math removes the points where manual errors usually happen. The result is a contract history that matches your bank statements every time. Once the schedule is set, a background engine goes to work. The system independently generates and issues invoices precisely as each payment term approaches. If a payment is delayed, Aura escalates the situation. It triggers a structured dunning process, dispatching scheduled payment reminders, issuing urgent late notices, and sending final warnings directly via SMS and email. Buyers also get their own secure personal portal. They can log in to track their specific payment schedule, download invoices, and pay online. There's no need for them to call your sales office to check their balance. Replacing manual phone calls with an automated communication and payment loop directly increases the collection rate. This diagram illustrates Aura's alignment with Georgian tax law. Operating on the Model B accounting standard, the system categorizes every incoming installment as an advance payment. These funds sit in a liability holding zone until the final handover. While those payments accumulate, the software calculates the required VAT. It applies a 0% rate for residential apartments and 18% for commercial units on every single invoice. It then integrates directly with the rs.g portal, keeping your advance and final invoice declarations accurate to the cent. Even when things go wrong, the system handles the fallout. If a buyer defaults, the civilized cancellation protocol instantly reverses the contract. It retains the agreed penalty for your company and balances the accounting books. By embedding localized legal and tax compliance into the software, you reduce the risk of auditing errors and severe tax penalties. All of this operational data feeds into the manager's dashboard. This interface gives you immediate visibility into your cash flow, live collection rates, and overdue balances, consolidated onto a single screen. When the building is finished and every installment is paid, you execute the final action.
You click the Chabareba, the handover button. The system recognizes the accumulated revenue, zeroes out the buyer's debt, and officially closes the multi-year loop. Aura takes the chaos of real estate installments and replaces it with a profitable, legally secure machine. Contact us today to request a full demonstration.